Okay, so here is the clay pressed out and cut in a square. I just used a bottle of water. Then you can just lay your cup down and roll it onto your cup. Doing this one-handed, y'all, sorry. And then mend your seam. It's just clay, so you can just press and mend. And then if you have an overlappage of some sort, this part not liking me. Press it out and cut what you need. All right, that's take. That's the first step. And then you're going to seal your seam. Make it smooth. You can take another piece. I'm trying to hurry up, but you can take another piece and cover it up and make that smooth. You can also take your roller this is, again, something that needs to stay moist. You don't want it to dry on you. So keep your water. I just got a water in a little bowl there. So if you want to take your time, take your beads and lay them. Let's pretend these are the beads. You want to lay them and press. And if you have more than one, because you know that pack comes with more than one, you can lay your next bead over. And press. And then you'll have your indents from the shape. And these was like scattered rhinestones, so they're not round at all. So you don't have round dots here. You just got the bling in the chain. So there you go. Okay, sorry. I thought I was recording. Okay, so I don't have the beads like I was talking about, but I have this cup thing, and I'm just using this to press onto the clay and just rolling it, just gently pressing. See, if I took my time to do it, I'm sure I could line them up. But if you mess up, Look how easy it is to just start over. You can use a little water. So, that's what you can do. I thought I was recording earlier when I did this other stuff. Sorry. So you can see how it's not lined up because thought I was recording and not really taking my time. But if I had a better tripod, so you can see like from my hands. It's very easy. And I used this modeling clay paper. This is like a paper clay. So, and it dries, it's air drying, but you can use whatever you want to use. But this is just what I had in the house. So, let it dry. All I did was take some water where the seam was and put the water over it and pressed it out. See, if you mess up, you can smooth it back out. So remember, this is air drying, so if it's taking you a while, you can moisten it and put it in a plastic baggie, maybe with a wet paper towel or something. If you like need to stop for some reason, as long as you keep it moist, it would stay pliable. And then like use a knife to cut your thing here so you can seal your epoxy in there. And read your clay's instructions on the curing and see if there is any shrinkage. If there is shrinkage, you might want to make sure you dry it out really well before you start sealing it with your epoxy. But I can just imagine you sealing this and then painting it white and then do your design from there. But if you know you're going to do a certain design, whatever, that's something you can do. That's really easy. And if you do your clay thin enough, you won't even have that much of a, see how thin that is? Oh. Let's see, let's do this. See? It's not that thick at all. Okay? Hope that helps.